Hello everybody, this is a update video for GameMunchies, and we just want to, we got Sonikdaiz, A to the V, Avery, whatever you want to call him, is on the phone with us instead, because we're quarantined in our own places, and we can't visit right now, but basically, we're going to explain why we haven't been uploading, and all that. So, what do you want to say? A to the V?
You ever eat a full jar of butter?
No, that's unhealthy for your heart.
Does?
What?
You know what butter does?
What?
It's slippery. When you use your bare hands to maul at the bucket of butter, and then when you go into the keyboard, it gets in between the keys, and then it makes the computer fat and not want to work. And that's why we haven't been uploading.
At first, I thought I was about to say that's off topic, but then you kind of brought it at the end. But that's his reason. But for me, I have my own reason. So basically, my reason is actually more logical. We can't really visit because, we can, but the buses don't work anymore since all this has been going on. Wait, what was that?
Because of the Backstreet Boys tour.
Oh, yeah. Actually, I know what you're referencing from Game Grumps, huh?
Yeah.
Yep. And, because
we don't want to buy the ticket.
Yeah. And I guess we shouldn't say the word, even though we don't get monetized anyway. Because if you say it, then it gets demonetized, but we don't get paid yet anyway, So, yeah. Also had technical difficulties with Adobe Premiere, which is the editing software I use. And that's been glitching up like crazy every time I use it, so I couldn't use that software. I might have to use one of my older softwares like Power Director 10 or 14,
I'm telling you, it was because of the butter.
Well, yeah, that's your reason, but that's why you can never edit, because you're always eating butter. So that's why he never edits.
Eat butter by the fistfuls.
By the fistfuls?
Yeah, I just jam my hand in there and just
Oh yeah, I have a question for you. Is this what you? So right before this recording, I was like, okay, just plan what you're gonna say as I get it ready. Is this what you planned to say?
Yes. This is exactly what I planned.
That's fun. So that's the first thing that popped in your head?
I ate a crepe slathered in butter before I recorded this.
Man, I never knew you were this much of a butter person. I thought you were more of a cheese person, but now you're more of a butter person.
I just go in double-fisted, just put one in after the other,
How does your doctor, what did your doctor say about your... What did your doctor say about your heart?
He said I was the healthiest person he ever saw.
Wow, I would think the opposite, but yeah.
For all those kids out there, remember to eat lots of cheese and lots of butter.
And I was going to say also that, it's quarantine time. You can enjoy what you're eating during this time and all that. But actually, we were thinking about getting a ride to your place at some point, so we can actually record.
As long as you're willing to pay,
Yeah, gas money.
Butter money.
Yeah.
Butter.
Instead of using the public buses, because that is broke down and wouldn't even use it at this time. So,
yeah.
Safe way to get there.
The reason it's really hard to, find a ride is because some people, bought the Front Street Boys tickets and,
There's a lot of tickets, and they haven't even sold all out yet. There's just infinite amount of tickets.
Because it's a really big stadium.
Yeah, it's like the whole world, basically. It's like a world stadium.
Once you buy the tickets, you might eventually actually visit the concert, and you could love it so much that
Love it so much that I would want to buy all the tickets.
Yeah, exactly.
Except,
And then you would have so many tickets that you would suffocate.
yeah. But
I
anyway.
mean, I love the Front Street Boys, but like, you know.
Oh well, for the first month, then it got kind of old after a while.
Yeah.
Yeah. But anyways.
Now, a lot of people have the Front Street Boys tickets, but
yeah.
But yeah.
But anyways, yeah, I want to start uploading again. I know we took a 2-month break, but we'll try to hop back on uploading this month, hopefully. If not, hopefully at least some point this month. So.
I mean, like, who's really, watching our content?
I mean, I guess that is true. Taking a break with nobody watching doesn't really affect us that much.
Whoever is watching, you should be expecting a podcast pretty soon here.
Oh yeah, we are thinking of a podcast.
With Swagger Souls.
Yeah, should we do that on phone call, or should we wait till I actually do it in person?
I don't know.
I guess we'll think about that.
I am great friends with Swagger Souls, and yeah, he's gonna do a podcast with us.
Yeah, maybe.
He's very excited.
Do you want to do that in person or like on phone call? The phone quality is kind of bad.
Whenever we can. He's kind of getting impatient.
Yeah, I guess we'll make up our minds at some point soon. So, yeah, is there anything else you want to say before I end it?
It's because of the butter.
Yeah, I mean, that's his reason.
The butter is to blame for everything. I mean, the Front Street Boys tickets slipped out of slippery hands and onto another person, and so on and so on.
Mm-hmm. Slippery. It's a slippery slope, as they say.
With butter.
Mm-hmm. And that's all we gotta say.
And then the cheese. The cheese will solve it all.
It's like the sprinkles on top of the frosting.
You put sprinkles on frosting?
Yeah. It's not bad. It's normal.
I guess it's just more sugar on top of sugar.
Mm-hmm. All right, any last words?
Like, comment, and subscribe.
Yeah.
To GameMunchies, not anyone else.
Mm-hmm.
In fact, unsubscribe to every one of the people that you were subscribed to, so that we get all of your subscriptions.
Exactly.
It doesn't make sense, but it'll work.
The whole time I had your volume a lot lower, then I just made it higher.
Are you fucking kidding me?
Yeah, but I mean, it's still picked up on the mic, but not as loud as me, of course, because
your voice is more important, huh?
Well, it's not.
Is that right?
It's not over the phone, so it sounds a lot better.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, but anyways, our voices will be both important once we record in person. We'll both sound like real people.
You guys at home, some of you with the Backstreet Boys tickets will orgasm over our Let's Plays.